Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today's recipe is bun, that too without oven and eggs. Let's learn how to make bun in a frying pan. So let's start. Firstly, take a bowl. Add half cup of warm water and 2 spoons of sugar, 1 spoon of yeast. Leave it for 2 minutes by that the yeast activates, and add 1 full cup of maida, 2 spoons of milk powder and a pinch of salt. Mix it well. Now add some oil and make a soft dough. Now our dough is ready. Cover the dough and rest it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, punch the dough. Knead it again. Now divide into equal balls. Take a frying pan. Grease some oil. Now take the dough and roll it as I am showing in the video and place it in the pan. In the similar way, we'll make it for the rest also. Now we'll rest this dough for at least 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take some milk and brush it above. Now I have preheated the pan for at least 15 minutes and place the pan on that. Let these buns fry on medium flame or low flame. After 15 minutes, turn the buns. And again let them fry for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn the buns. Now our smooth and soft buns are ready. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe for G Home Cooks for many more videos. Thank you.